Myself Manisha Joshi, and my topic is extension field, algebraic extension. What is an extension field? So let us say that f is a subfield of K and K is known as extension field of A. Since f is the subfield of A, so K will known as extension field or extension of f if it is denoted by this, this or this. So we can simply say that if K is a field and if it's a field, then K is known as its extension field. So there we will take one example. Since Q is subfield of R, so R is extension of Q. Since Q is the subfield of R, so we can see that the real numbers is the extension of rational numbers. We know that R is the subfield of C, so we can say that C is the extension field of R and also the field Q root 2. That is Q root 2 will be equal to A plus root 2B, which will A comma B belongs to Q. Then Q root 2 will be the extension of field Q. Now we can also say that every field is self-extension field. Like every field is the subfield of itself, so every field will be the self-extension field of itself. So and also every field form a vector space over its subfield. So now we will understand what is the degree of an extension field. Let K is the extension field of F and F is subfield of K. Then K forms vector space over field F. That is Kf is a vector space. As we know that every field form a vector space over its subfield. So the dimension of vector space Kf is degree of an extension field K, and it can be denoted by this. So the dimension of vector space Kf is the degree of extension field. So the number of elements in basis of Kf can be written like this. So if degree of an extension field is finite, then it is known as finite extension, and if the degree of an extension field is infinite, then it is known as infinite extension field. Now we will do some questions. First, we have to find the degree of R is to R, C is to R, and Q root to Q. So for first, we can see that R can be denoted like this: A, where A is belonging to R. So this is the vector space, and its basis will be containing only one element, that is 1. So R will be equals to 1, and CR will be written as A plus IB, where A and B belongs to R. So this is also a vector space, and its basis contains 2 elements, that is B equals to 2. So CR will be equals to 2. And also Q root 2 can be written like that, this A plus root 2B is equals to AB, which belongs to R, and B equals to 1 root 2. So Q root 2 Q will be equals to 2. That is the basis of this will be equals to 2. There are some properties which we should know. So first, if L is the finite extension of K and K is the finite extension of F, then L will be the finite extension of F. So if L is the finite extension of K and K is the finite extension of F, then L will be the finite extension of F. So this finite extension holds the transitive property, and also LF can be written as LKF. That is finite extension of finite extension is also a finite extension. And now field extension is satisfied transitive property as well as reflexive property, but not symmetric. That is field extension is transitive, reflexive, but it is not symmetric. And if L is the finite extension of F and K is the field of L which contains F, then KF divides LF. And the next property is if K is extension field of F, then K to F will be equals to 1 if and only if K is equals to F. That is the degree of an extension field will be equals to 1 if and only if it is K to K or K to F where F equals to K. That is, it is self-extension field. And also if L is extension field of F and L is to F is a prime number, then there exists no field such that F is to K to L. That is, if the degree of any extension field of any extension field is any prime number like 2, 3, 5, though, so there will be no field in between F and L.
Now we will understand what is the algebraic extension of field. So an extension field K of field F is called algebraic extension of F if every element of K is algebraic over F. That for all alpha belongs to K, then there exists at least one polynomial such that F alpha should be equals to 0. If there exists one element of K which is not algebraic over F, then F is known as transcendental extension. So for algebraic extension, it is very important that every element of K should be algebraic. So first we will see that every finite extension field is algebraic extension, that every finite extension can be a algebraic extension, but converse is not true, that every algebraic extension can't be a finite extension. So that is algebraic extension of field is not always finite extension. The extension field C over R is algebraic over R, as we can see that it is finite extension and CR is equals to 2. The extension field R of Q is not algebraic over Q because pi and E belongs to R but not algebraic over Q. If L is algebraic extension of K and K is algebraic extension of F, then L is also algebraic extension of F. If K is the field extension of F, then element of K which are algebraic over F form a subfield of K which is algebraic extension of F. So now we will see this. If K is field extension of F and set A is collection of all elements of K which are algebraic to F. So first of all, A will be the subfield of K since it is the set of collection of all elements which is belonging to K, and K is also the field extension of field F. So A will be the subfield of K and A will be the algebraic extension of F since it is the set of collection of all elements of K which are algebraic to F, and every element of K algebraic over A will be belonging to A.